In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. Hi, everyone. Let's walk through this together so you can start scheduling meetings and sharing your availability directly from HubSpot without any extra hassle. We'll begin inside your HubSpot account. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, which opens your settings. This is where HubSpot keeps all the tools that control how your account behaves, so it's the right place to link your calendar. Once you're in settings, glance over to the left sidebar, find General, then select Calendar. This calendar section is dedicated to managing how HubSpot talks to your external calendars so it can show your availability, book meetings, and keep everything in sync. On the calendar page, click Connect Your Calendar. This tells HubSpot you're ready to link an external calendar and sets up the connection process. Next, you'll see options for different providers. Choose Google or Gmail. This is the Google Calendar path, and it works for personal Gmail addresses as well as Google Workspace accounts. A Google sign-in window will appear. If you're already signed in to Google in your browser, it may show you a list of accounts to choose from. Pick the account that has the calendar you want to use with HubSpot. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Google email and password to continue. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars, so the right one syncs with HubSpot. Google will then show you a permissions screen. This is your chance to review exactly what HubSpot is asking to access. You'll typically see permissions related to viewing your calendar, creating events, and updating meeting details. These are necessary for HubSpot to show your availability and automatically add meetings. If everything looks good, click Allow to grant access. Once you've allowed the connection, HubSpot and Google Calendar will sync. That means HubSpot can now read your available times, let contacts book meetings with you through your HubSpot tools, and place confirmed meetings on your Google Calendar. You'll notice that scheduling, rescheduling, and cancellations stay aligned between both platforms, which helps prevent double booking and saves time. If you ever need to adjust which calendar is used or review the connection, you can return to the same calendar settings page. And that's how you connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.